My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. First of all, I'm very happy to make this video because a lot of people requested for this video. Now it's finally out. My dear technician, someone from Lagos, Nigeria will build this phone to me for repair. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, this is a Techno phone. According to him, he told me that when you turn on the phone, after 1 or 2 minutes, the phone will shut down itself. And sometimes immediately when you turn on the phone shut down itself and turn on and shut down and turn on, continue like that until the battery shut down. By the technician, so I take my time to check for physical damage. Check this out. I check the power on button. I check it very well to see if there is any physical damage. I check it very well. And the next thing is for me to turn on the phone. By the technician, check this out. I'm waiting. Please wait. Wait and see something. Please wait. Please wait. Okay, the phone is booting. Check this out. Please wait. Please look very well. Please look. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. The phone shut down and on again. The phone shut down and on again. Okay, my dear technician, this is the problem of this phone. Okay, check this out. To fix this issue is very, very simple. Okay, you don't need to stress yourself. I will show you step by step on how you can be able to fix this issue. My dear technician, if you check very well, the phone turn off again and boot. My dear technician, so without time wasted, let me open the phone and go deeply and check. My dear technician, so let me go further and check. Check this out. Take your time to do this, please. When you want to work your customer phone, please take your time to do it. Do not rush. Take your time to do it. So let me remove all the bolts. Let me take my time to do this. Let me take my time to do this. I don't want to rush this video. I want you guys to learn a lot, okay? I want you guys to learn a lot. So let me get my screwdriver. Check this out. So let me start and remove all the bolts. It's very simple. No time wasted. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this, you are free, okay? You are free. You can let me know. If you have any question concerning this, you are free. Tell me something in the comment section. The next thing is for me to get this thing removed. Check this out. Check this out. And the next thing is for me to remove the casing that is covering the PCB. You can see the phone is still turning on and shutting down itself continuously. My dear technician, check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. Please make sure you take your time to do your customer phone. Please do not rush. Take your time to do your customer phone. Check this out. I take my time to do this. Okay, now the next thing is for me to look for physical damage. I take my time to look the panel very well, and I discover that the phone PCB is still new, like it's fresh. Okay, you can see they have not worked on the panel before. It's fresh, still new. My dear technician, check this out. I know some technician will tell me that the problem is from the power button. My dear technician, the problem is not from the power button, because when this phone shut down and you charge the phone will charge, and you press the power on button, the power on button works very well and turns on the phone. Okay, now the phone is doing on and off, on and off. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to bring my multimeter for testing. I need to test so that I will know where the problem is coming from, where the problem is, so that I will fix it. Okay, I really want this phone to work for my customer so that my customer will be happy with me. Okay, check this out. I first of all set this to continuity. I want to test the V-bar and the ground to be sure that voltage is flowing in without anything blocking. That's the number one thing that you have to do. Okay, it's important. You have to check My technician, my multimeter is not really giving me what I want, so that's why you see me settings. Sorry for that. I'll be done. Sorry for that. You can see the continuity is not reading perfectly. I'm trying to set it. Check this out. Please, sorry for the time wasted. Sorry. I'll be done. Okay. Sorry for the time wasted. Okay, it's working now. It's manageable. Now, let me test. My dear technician, first of all, place the negative of your multimeter probe to the ground and while you place the positive to the V-bar, okay? So let me test it now. Place the negative to negative and the positive to V-bar. Check this out. I tested it to be sure if voltage is flowing in or not. When I check it and I discover that voltage is flowing in, that nothing is blocking. Check this out. Voltage flows in, nothing blocks. Check this out. This is negative. You can see the negative is also connected, positive is connected. Check this out. If you have any question concerning this, like I said before, let me know. Please, it's important. I love questions. So if you have questions, please let me know. Check this out. I take my time to check the V-bar, NTC, and the ground to be sure that they are well connected, that there's nothing like short and any other thing at all. Okay, the next thing now is for me to connect the battery and test the voltage. It's important you do so. You may ask, Father Joe, why is it important for us to use our multimeter and test the battery voltage? It is important because you want to make sure that the voltage is stable, not fluctuating. My dear technician, if the voltage fluctuates, that means something is wrong. So let me test now. Okay, check this out. First of all, I place the positive of a multimeter probe to the V-bar and the negative to the ground. Check this out, 3.77. So this is the voltage that is inside this battery. Now, I will turn on the phone and see if the voltage will still remain the 3.7 volt. Check this out. My dear technician, watch very well. Check what I will do. I want to turn on the phone now. Check this out. If you have any question, you are free, ask me. Let me turn on the phone. 1, 2, ready, and go. My dear technician, just turn on the phone now and check this out. The voltage is fluctuating. Check this out. The voltage was 3.7 before, but now you can see 3.1, 3.0, 3.2. The voltage is going up, going down, going up, going down. So this is what I mean by fluctuating, something that is not stable. It's going up, going down, going up, going down. So this means that something is wrong. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this, please let me know. It's important. Please, check this out. The phone will shut down. Check this out. 1, 2, ready, and go. Check this out. The phone just shut down and boot again. My dear technician, so this is the problem of this phone. My dear technician, to solve this is very simple, very, very simple. Okay? Now, let me proceed. To fix it, first of all, we need to open the battery BMS. Okay? I need to remove the tape and then open the battery BMS and go display and check. My dear technician, so let me do that now. I will take my time to do this because I really want you to follow up. I really want you to see everything that I will do here. Okay? If you have any question concerning this, please let me know. Check this out. I will be done. Check this out. So let me take my time to open the battery BMS. Check this out. They have not touched this before. You can see they have not touched this before. So let me take my time to open it. Check this out. I will be done. Make sure you take your time to open this. I will be done. Please wait. I will be done. Check this out. Okay. The technician, check this out. I will be done. Okay, the next thing is for me to carry up the next step. Check this out. This particular tape is covering the battery BMS, the circuit. My dear technician, now this is the problem of the phone. Okay, this is the problem. This is the main thing that makes the phone to shut down and on, shut down and on time with that number. My dear technician, this is called fuse resistor. So I'm going to bring a jumper wire, a small jumper wire, and then bypass it. My dear technician, I want to ask you a simple question. If your customer asks you now, what is the problem of the phone? What will you tell your customer? For me, I will tell my customer that the problem is from the battery. Okay? So there's a way I can fix it and the phone works again. My dear technician, let me show you how you can be able to fix it. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this, please let me know. Okay? Check this out. So let me bring my soldering iron. So this is my soldering iron. Make sure that the bit is clean, is sharp. Okay? You can see my own bit. There's lead on the bit. Make sure that you have lead on the bit. If not, you'll be suffering to apply lead here. Check this out. I take my time to do this. Please take your time to do your own. Make sure you apply a little lead on the surface of the fuse resistor. Check this out. The both side. Check this out. Check what I'm doing. Take your time to do this. Please do not rush. Take your time to do this. If you have any question concerning this, please, I'm begging you, let me know. Okay? So the next thing is for you to bring your jumper wire. So let me show you my jumper wire. Check this out. So this is my jumper wire. So take your time and do this. My dear technician, I will be done. Check this out. Please take your time and do this. I will be done. Check this out. If you have any question concerning this, please let me know. It's important. Check this out. I will be done. My dear technician, I'm done. Check this out. I'm done. Make sure that you lead it very well. Lead it very, very well. Check my own. Lead it very well. Check this out. I'm done. So the next thing is for me to cut the excess wire. Check this out. Let me cut it now. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. So make sure you take your time to do your customer phone. I just cut it off right now. Check this out. Check this out. Very clean. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this, let me know, please. Next thing is for you to clean it very well in case there's any lead that drops inside. So make sure you clean it very well. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Check this out. After that, you can confirm your jumper wire to be sure that it is well connected, it is well laid. You get my point now. So let me confirm my own. You can see it is well connected. Check this out. I'm done. Now the phone is working perfectly. My dear technician, check this out. I'll be sending the phone back to the owner. About 2 phones is remaining. So when I'm done with that one, I'll also send it to the owner, and the video for that one is coming very soon. Check this out. You can see. Take your time to couple everything. Make sure you tape everything, and then make sure you do it very well. You seal it back. You can see. I take my time to seal it back. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Clean. Check this out. I'm done. Very clean, very neat. Very clean. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to put tape. So let me get tape. Check this out. Check this out and seal it very well. Let me take my time to do it. Check this out. Check this out. If you have any question concerning this, please let me know. You can see I take my time to do this. Check this out. Very clean, very neat. Very clean, my dear technician. Oh, I love this. I love this. Check this out. Very clean, clean, clean. So the next thing is for me to connect the battery and power on the phone. I want you guys to see the magic. 100% done without suffering yourself. My dear technician, it is important for you to know how to use your multimeter so that you'll be able to detect issues. Any problem that the phone have, when you test it with your multimeter, you'll be able to understand, you'll be able to know, okay, this problem is from battery, this problem is from the battery BMS, this problem is from the fuse resistor, this problem is from capacitor, this problem is from IC. You get my point now. Check this out. Now we have 3.76 volt. You can see. So let me turn on the phone and show you that the voltage will not and will never fluctuate again. I'm done. Check this out. You can see the phone boot, Techno. Now let me connect it. Let me connect my multimeter. Check this out. You can see. Check this out. The voltage 3.67. 3.67. The voltage is now stable. By the technician, the phone will turn on now. 100% sure the phone will work now. By the technician, check this out. The battery is 3.6. This is low battery anyway. I will charge the battery later. Check this out. It's 100% done. 100% done. If you have any question concerning this, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you have any question. You can see it's even getting to 3.7. Check this out. The phone is already on. Let me click the power button for you guys to see. You can see the phone is back to life, baby. The phone is back to life, oh, guys. I'm very, very happy. I'm excited. You can see the phone is now working. I'm excited. You can see the phone is just like new. The phone is good like new. My dear technician, the phone is good like new. Works like new. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. I will check all of your comments. I will check all of your comments. Okay? Check this out. I'm done. I'm done. 100% working. My dear technician, the phone will never off again. The phone will not off again. It's working now. Check this out. It's working now. Check this out. It's working now. Check this out. 100% working. 100% working. 100% working. Check the battery. Check the battery voltage. You can see it's touching very well. Everything working.